So we're going to
Jollibee.
Jollibee, and then
Jollibee.
after we're going to
Unigo.
Unigo. We're just buying Durabox for my clothes, guys. So let's go to Jollibee. So here's the Jollibee, guys.
Okay na lang.
Balik eh.
Smile. Happy ng person.
Ari, balik na rin. Ako, bumili ka.
Masimad. Happy burn?
Yes.
Yeah, full tummy na rin.
Yeah. Balik, ha? Ha?
Dam. She buy spaghetti again, guys, because we forgot. So sexy, Cispia. She buy again spaghetti because she forgot. Reading the spaghetti, guys. Tara, day. Happy. Spaghetti. Act of service. So sweet. This. Yes. It's it na. Siksi kay kadang. Cispia is very sexy, guys. Look. She is happy now because her tummy is full. Yeah. She is happy. You know, guys, she is happy now because she ate Jollibee. We've been at Jollibee. Before at Jollibee, now we are here at Unigo. Ooh! For Halloween! Same face. So, I don't know. Just ask if how much.
And we don't know how much.
Yes.
They're also here, oh.
Yes. Costume Halloween. You want to buy?
I don't know the exact price.
Kasi mag-find burial. Lah. Yes, she find a Durabox. Just see her in the... Kasi tawag na good, bro?
Kisamiro.
Yeah, Kisamiro. Yeah.
There's a broken because of
The Lindol. The earthquake. Affected on earthquake. Table? Daspat na ko eh. Hi guys.
Here.
Happy now because I eat Jollibee.
Awas mo, agay. Careful, girl.
Yes. She find a Durabox, guys, because we have a Durabox, but it's very old, so that's why she planned that she buy a Durabox, new
What do you
Durabox.
think, Bern?
Nice siya color.
Gani, but only one naman siya. Oh, but here is the which is best, Bern?
The best. Mahayan sana siya.
Yeah. Here, this.
We go shine.
Ang tindi ako nakasaka tayo. How about this one? Blue. Laro sa hugaw. Kanino ba siya, ba?
Choose whatever you want.
Yes, ma'am. I choose whatever I want.
Yes.
Charot eh. Dili ko ito. Kadulog yan ito. Here is the bacon. Oh, there's free hunger. It's 1,000.
First,
It's free hunger, guys, and it's 1,000.
It's so hot.
Which is best? You know what? There's too long.
Yeah. Choose what is the best.
For what?
Right, guys?
What do you think is nice? Oh, there's a frog. Here, guys, look up here. So there's a frog. So let's check it first before
Yes.
we buy. So
Yes, guys.
there's a frog here. And let's see another one. Maybe because they were affected with. So there's a damage. Or there's damage. Is this the best or the one?
Kailan ko yung color eh. I like that color.
Okay, color. Gunahan ko ako. Okay.
Pero ang kani mas concept siya niyo.
Pero mas taas na ni.
Yes.
So,
Yung ganun sa kung ano dam kay ang color.
whatever.
Take me into nightfall in your
How about this one?
to give me true. Hana. Kato ganun ko niyo?
Ha?
Ganun ko niyo. She wondering, guys, what she chose because all is very nice and good. That's why she wondering to choose it.
May panang sangi. Ito ka which is the best.
Kana siya, nice sa color. Alay magarda.
Ano is na?
Malas ramlan.
So ito gagawin. Number. It's broken man.
Sorry.
Wait lagi siya. Bakit siya?
Choose what is the best quality. She is confused and wondering, guys, because all the Durabox is good and nice. I don't know what is he with.
Favorite tracks and guide to the music you want. Find the one right music.
Pero nice to siya no. Kaya nagpapasod lang.
Oh, kanina ko gana nagyo kani ay. The blue one is very nice. Then the brown.
Dinam siya sa 2 bucks. Kahit anong mall. Ito nga sa mga gamit.
Ito daw wala eh. Mas din na to siya okay.
Ay.
So guys, this one choose Cespia.
Yes, I choose blue.
She choose blue because nice color, right?
Yes. And there's a lot of space.
We call going to down, guys, because we find a roll. What is roll down? Cespia. What is rule? Where we find? Oh, my favorite song. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wala, barato ra siya ta 25.
Ano, pila man to kung 9, 180.
Ano, save ka?
20. Inani ko ba sabot na buwas? Ay, daan.
Like, baby, take a little bit of we sit together. Let's sit and then it's sit together. Speak to you. You have been better. I don't know why I'm crying. Paga si ano? I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the day I die. Hunger. Da, mapapait pa ito baril sa mama daw. Para sa bugas. Isa may pangita. Ang roll? We're all back, guys. Hello? Ting, ting, tigiring, tigiring. Model, supermodel, Sispia. For Halloween. Custom for Halloween.
Order the first.
Oh, so tata mo. Hello? Ano ba?
25.
For Halloween costume. Ngayon ka?
Or violet.
Black na. Tara.
Baka maubusan ako.
Ah. Are you scared? A lot of costume. Costume for Halloween. Roar. Roar. Zombie room queen.
Sayang po daan niya na after. Wala na.
So I will buy a 4 chairs, guys. Or I will buy a barrier, guys. So let's watch this step. Let's go down. Medium. It's Belgium. So roll for baking for dough, 149, and let's go buy also a shopping big, 125. Let's get one. All-purpose lang. So these are things or I'll buy it today. So here's the ingredients of my pizza. Since we don't have mozzarella, I will use only, what do you call that one? It's butter, creamy butter, Magnolia. And I have here pure canola oil and onion powder, black pepper, garlic granulated, original tomato sauce for a simple pizza, Sunny Hot, sweet ham, and of course, or I mean shopping board. Sorry, it's shopping board. And of course, the all-purpose and calumet baking powder. And then I forgot the iodized salt. Yes. And also, guys, powder for the clothes to wash and muriatic. You know what this for using muriatic? It is used for the bowl in the CR. And of course, shampoo and soap, Bioderm, and Speed. The Dora box, guys.
Just open the.
I will use this to my clothes. What lagi ni?
Thank you so much, everyone, for supporting my channel. I'm really happy and thankful for all your likes, comments, and shares. Your support gives me the strength to keep making more videos. I'm so grateful to all of you, and let's keep growing together. And of course, if you want to support me through Amazon, the link is in the description below on my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you to visit my channel. God bless you guys.
Yun naman yan. 3,000.
Ano?
3,375. Ano yan na po siya? No, maybe it's here. Ang hanger. Isan siguro dito mo? Arit.
Hanggang bangko. Nabutan lang sila.
Ba't na siya papitangan man o? Siya.
May 5 feet. Ganay sa katong nalin amigot.
Hanggang mayon man to.
Ano na may ganto.
Asan ibig na? Ibog ko. Asan ibog ko?
Pwede mo daw ka ang ikad. Ang pito si ka.
Kung hindi man siya fit.
With
Ambot asan ni siya gikan?
Diha lagi na.
Wala ni mo tanawa?
Naman ba? Ano man ni diri?
Kasi hindi mo dinhi eh. Oh, daara maisil eh. Ma. Mataod na. Okay guys. Okay, drop this me. Yan na tumutong. Ay!